welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy small tutorial on my makeup routine that I wear to say like work or somewhere really quick. I don't want to wear heavy makeup. I don't want to wear liquid foundation. So this makeup doesn't have liquid foundation. I use something else instead, which you'll see in a second. But if you like to know how I created this super quick and easy look, then please keep on watching. I might look funny, but I'm just got this headband on to keep the hair away from my face, and I've got my skin prepped. I've got my serum on, my eye cream and my sunscreen, and I'm going to start off with a primer. I'm using the Ciate Superfruit Burst Citrus AHA primer. Just grabbing one pump of that and I'm going to just apply it everywhere. Next, I'm priming my eyes. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. I've just grabbed a little bit of that in between my fingers and I've warmed it up. And I'm just going to apply that on both of my lids. Alright, for everyday basis, I don't use a corrector, so we're going to jump straight into a concealer. And for that, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel. I'm just going to get the doe foot applicator and I'm just going to put a little bit here, a little bit under this eye, on my cheeks. That's where I've got scarring, acne scarring and marks, a little bit on the forehead, bridge of the nose, like a little bit on the eyelids, just like that, bit on the chin and upper lip, maybe like a little bit there as well. And I'm gonna get a brush and blend this out. This is the Mecca Max Tapered Complexion brush. So that's all blended out, and you can see this, it's not given too much coverage, but it's definitely hidden like some of the marks and scarring and stuff, but you can, you can still see it through. I'm grabbing my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC43. I'm going to grab the powder puff that I got of Shein, which I have left in here that I use with it. So I'm going to grab the powder, just like that. And I'm just going to press it into the skin like that. So starting with the under eyes first. How smooth does that look? And then on the lid, I'm just swiping some product. I don't know what it is, guys. My skin's doing a weird thing and I'm getting so many breakouts. Don't know if it's the weather or just hormonal. I'm just going to place not too much of product, but some just all over my face. So next is bronzer. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Bronzer, and I use the shade 450 Deep Tan. And I'm grabbing the Peaches and Cream PC08 brush. I'm just going to go into that bronzer. I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Like that, bit on the forehead, chin and jawline, and nose. I'm going to take the same bronzer on the same brush because I'm not going to wear eyeshadow. I'm just going to sweep that across just so it has a bit of depth on the lids. Let's add a little bit of blush. Blush, I'm using the MAC blush in Gingerly, and I'm using a random Morphe angle powder brush. So we want something natural, so I'm going with this tone. There, just a little bit on this side. That's it for the complexion. Alright, so for my brows, I've got naturally full brows, as you can see. So I'm not going to actually fill them in with anything, but if you have sparse brows, you could definitely do that. I'm just going to use a brow gel just to remove any makeup or powder that settled into my brows just before, and also set the hair in place. So I'm just going to grab this and basically brush it through the same direction as my hair is growing, because I want to keep it natural. I know I have like a little bit of gap here and there, but I'm going to just leave it instead of using a pencil to make it look perfect. So that's it for the brows. Alright, next I'm just going to go mascara. Just any mascara that you like will do. I don't want too heavy of volume because the rest of my face is very subtle. So I've got like a deluxe size of the Benefit Fan Fest mascara. I'm just going to use this on my lashes. Do I love this mascara? No. It's alright. It's alright. So I'm just gonna... It's actually pretty good. But I've got better mascaras that I love. Maybe it's just because it's a deluxe size. I can't hold it properly for me to actually try it. So just so you can see, that's the FanFest mascara by Benefit on one eye. It's actually pretty good, guys. I'm just testing it out, so I still haven't decided. But yeah, you know, I love the MAC one. I love, love, love. So that's it for my lashes. Now, sometimes I decide to wear kajal. I don't really feel like it today, so I'm not going to wear kajal. But I usually put that in my waterline. Sometimes eyeliner, again. Let's keep it really simple today. And I'm just going to go ahead and wear lipstick now. Anything on the lips will do, but I'm wearing the... It's a bit dirty and like well used. This is the Kiko lip liner, but I don't know what sort of lip liner. It's the gold packaging lip liner, because they also have a black packaging lip liner, because the name's rubbed off and I've used too much of it. But this is in the shade 22. Now I'm going to use this to line and also fill in my lips. How pretty is this lip liner? I love it. When I went to London, I bought a backup of the same shade. This is the one that I picked up like a year and a half ago when I went, and this time I made sure I picked up the same shade because it is beautiful and it's so creamy. It stays on. I use it as a lipstick. My lips are a little bit dry today. Oh, they naturally are, but I filled it in. You don't have to wear it this bold. You can, because I have nothing else really on for color, so I've just put this on, and this one is looking quite pretty. It's enhanced my face. So yeah, you can wear a lip balm, you can wear a subtle lip. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set all of this. I use the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. Hold your breath. There, that is my makeup. Simple, natural, pretty. Doesn't have to be for the office. You can wear this wherever. Quick and easy. All the products will be listed down in the description box that is on my face, if you would like to sort of go refer back to. But yeah, anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.